Let's look at an example using method 2 to find the trend values. Okay, so calculate the trend values for the following data. So here just remember that we need to follow these steps. Okay, you find the 4-year moving totals. The next step is you add a pair of 4-year moving totals. Then you divide by 8 to get the trend values. Okay, so these are your figures. So the first step is to find 4-year moving totals for every group of 4 years. So again, because this is an even period, so this will lie between the middle year, which is 1982, 83, 84, which is, for this group we're taking 1981, 82, 83, 84, 82 and 83 are the middle years, so the total will lie in between these years, so you get 67. And for the next group, which is from 1982, 83, 84, 85, 1983, 84 will be the middle years, so your total will lie in between those years because you have not centered them. You get 77. And the next group we have 1983, 84, 85, 86, so 84, 85 will be the middle years, so the total will lie in between these years. You get 79. The next group 1984, 85, 86, 87, 85, 86 middle years, so total will lie in between these years. 20 plus 24, you get 88. Then the next group of years is from 1985, 86, 87, 88. 1986, 87 are the middle years of this group, so the value will lie in between 1986 and 87, so you get 94. So the next step is to add a pair of 4-year moving totals. Okay, so what we do here is we add a pair, which means we take a 2-period moving total of the 4 yearly moving totals. Okay, in other words, we add a pair of 4 yearly moving totals which are obtained in this column here. So now we can center. Okay, it will lie between, it'll be placed against year 3. Okay, so over here, so 67 plus 77, and the next pair, this will be assigned to year 1984, 77 plus 79. The next pair, the year 1985, 79 plus 88. So now we're able to center. In other words, we're able to synchronize or keep together data along with the years, which means we're able to assign these values to a particular year. So the next pair is this much. So if we add them up, we get 144, 156, 167, 182. So the last step is now divide these values by 8. That is how we get the trend values. So your trend values, which has been centered now. Okay, so we divide 144 divided by 8, we get 18, and 156 divided by 8, approximately 19.5. Then the next total, divide by 8, we get 20.88 approximately, and 182 divided by 8, about 22.75. So that is how you use method to find the trend values, and here you cannot obtain the values for the first 2 years and the last 2 years. So no trend values for the first 2 years and the last 2 years. So that is the disadvantage of using moving average method. Some values will be left out. Now you can either use method 1 or method 2. I've taken the same example. In method 1 I've used the same example I'm using it here, and if you check, you get the same results. So it's up to you whether you choose method 1 or method